This man is
Thank you, brother.
it's awesome.
Appreciate it.
And don't forget, if you want your pool renovation, stay cool with
Come
Master
Master
Pool.
Pool. Yo guys, come see how it looks.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new tomorrow. One night to find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
Hey guys, today we're here with Leo with his pool renovation that we just finished. Leo, what do you think of our work?
Well, let me tell you, from day one, from the time that they did the quoting for the amazing pool renovation, so by the time of the follow-up, and then when they bring the samples, and then when in the negotiation, back and forth, I want this, I want that, and then the commencement of the work, amazing. In 2 weeks, I got my pool done. So everything that I wanted, everything that I asked for, so this man is
Thank you, brother.
it's awesome.
Appreciate it.
And don't forget, if you want your pool renovation, stay cool with
Come
Master
Master
Pool.
Pool. Thank you.
I'm gonna